Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. Wanted to highlight for you our triple trunk ribbon palms. There's one there and another one there. These are placed so that as you're coming into the house down this long 400-foot driveway, when you get down to the house and before you turn left into the circular drive, you see the tree on the left and the tree on the right. These are planted strategically so that you leave this double row of royal palms and enter these two triple trunk ribbon palms. Ribbon palms are a favorite for the tree planters. They have looks that you can't get with any other tree. So check us out at thetreeplanters.com and give us a call.